was just wondering, what else can I do in life? So hair never was my first and only passion. I mean, I hear Victor's story. He said, I always knew. I was like, ugh, not me. So I Googled, I had to go to college. In Cuba, so you guys know, Latin America, some of those places, education is free. So when I opened the internet and says 80 grand to go to school, 90 grand, I was like, I cannot pay that. How am I going to go to school and become anything? It's impossible. So I got so frustrated. I got home and I was like, no, this is not for me. I don't know. I have to keep dancing. Once again, I never give up. I opened a newspaper. Back then, you can look for things on newspaper, and was this super cheap school by my house. It wasn't Paul Micho. It wasn't Avira. It was like a cheap school that doesn't even exist anymore. I was just 80 grand just to do hair. I was like, yes, I can pay 80 grand. So guys, I went to beauty school as a second chance opportunity, maybe if, what if I like it. I wasn't planning. I didn't wish. I went because it was cheap. Yes, I have to admit it. But I always do things to the maximum, to the extreme. My dad always told me, Leysa, if you do something, do it thinking that you're going to be the best. If you get to be the best, don't believe in that, because there is going to be people better than you. I was one day a cleaning lady in the salon. So I say, yes, I can clean your salon. And I cleaned the salon of this lady for about 6 months. But when I walked into the salon, I walked again like this. The first day I went to work, I went like this. And I walked in, red lipstick again, dressed up to the T, shoes, and I was going to make you believe that I'm not a cleaning lady. That's my way to get into this salon and to get in this industry, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to represent who I am. And the reason I'm telling you this, because you have to represent who you believe you are. Doesn't matter what you walked in, doesn't matter what people say.